with the whole game. No issues holding. If it didn't cut off. Thank you. I'm going to check my phone. Come on! You can send it to Luke. See, they don't know. You can send it to Luke too. The corner. Like an easy pass, and Luke can get it.
Get open, Alex. You're behind players.
Good luck. He might do. I don't think he can say. Pretty fast. Keep going. Keep the first shots. I think we're good. Right? Good idea. We can shoot from there too, bro. Oh, I forget. Yeah, we could have.
Get back, Zane. Get back, Zane. That's the right idea. When he drops it, you can go, Alex.
Send it to Luke. Send it to Luke. Luke, there you go. Excellent. Nice. Keep going. You okay, Alex? Did he hit him on the stomach with the foot? Oh, just the ball. That kind of hard one. That one's hard.
Graham. Parker, go for Graham.
His A. It did pretty good, better than the actual field. Yeah, maybe the light.
Left, the other side. Your other left, Parker.
Any helps that the ball is right. Orange, yeah. Nice. Luke, that's you. You can either play with your foot or... Excellent, Caden. That was an excellent idea, man. Well, good. There you go. He did what he's supposed to do. They're getting used to the wall. That's good, yeah. There you go.
Take it in. Christian, push up, Christian. Push up. Get into on that white line. No, in front of the goal.
Come on. Again. Looking for going out. Again, that's you.
Oh! Nice try, Luca. Don't
Keep
lose
trying.
it,
That's a
Zane.
good try.
Get there, Parker. Good. Got time. Nice try.
Good, nice try, man. Come on.
Good work, Parker. Way to come back, Parker. Let's go.
Come on. Oh, good job, Luke. Go.
Good, Parker. Good, Parker. Good, Parker. There it is. Very nice. Have.
again. Don't give up. Don't give up. Rebounds. Rebounds again.
That look good, boys. That look good.
But they have to just.
Good, look at pressure.
No, they're doing actually a lot better than the first game.
Hey, drop. Never mind, save that pin, save that pin. Hey, drop.
Oh.
Nice, nice,
No!
nice. Nice one. Hey, welcome back, Luca. AYSO. Hey, bud, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Hey, go.
Keep it up. Keep it up, Graham. I've never seen that.
Squeeze. Alex.
On training, you see that?
Drop it.
They look about the same age.
Touch.
Great, Luke. Keep going. Keep the pressure.
Good, Aiden. There you go. Come on, Luca, finish. Put a touch on it.
Again.
Oh!
There you go.
You almost. Yeah. But let's see when Luka goes on the side, if he doesn't need to get the ball, yeah.
Green line. Christian, have the free kick. Have the spot. Have the free kick. You can go for goal. Give it to Christian, Luca. Christian will take it this time. You'll get the next one, bud. Oh, unlucky.
Hit the wall. Come on. Oh.
Thank you for the pressure.
Keep the pressure, Alex. Yep. Great. There you go. You see what the pressure does?
Oh, yes, sir. Play. Stay up top. Let me
So
down,
these
Luca.
are the 3 lines.
Otra vez.
3 lines.
Stay right there, Luca.
Boom! Come on, Christian.
This is the wrong.
Oh, come on,
Hit
back!
the ball.
Oh!
Get that with your left, Parker.
He's fighting, man. He's not giving up.
Go for it, Luca. Get open, boys. Scan. Make sure you're open, Luca.
Hit the wall. Keep the pressure.
Graham, make sure you're open too. You're guarded. Call for Luca.
Oh. Get it back.
Yes, he is.
There we go.
Oh.
Again.
Stay up top,
Again.
Luca. Right. Luca, come get one, Luca.
We'll get used to this game. They just need to get used to it. It's new for them.
Look at the pressure, man. Come on. Give me.
Parker. Alex, go to left mid. Left mid, Alex. Left mid. You gotta run. Parker, come on, Parker. Off the field. Aiden. Oh, never mind. Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They only have like 5 seconds.
Close the clock. We're center. Good, Grant. Don't lose the player behind you.
There you go, Caden. Oh my God.
Go wide, Graham. Make sure you're open, Graham. Open the edge, Graham.
Thank you. Keep going. Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure.
Stand.
Unlucky. There you go. Maybe lucky. Give it to Alex. Alex, run. Don't stop, Alex. Don't stop, man. There you go. Thank you. Keep the pressure, don't stop. Oh, you don't want to go there.
Go for it. Let him know you're there.
Oh. Keep the pressure. Okay, you gotta go back, Zane. You gotta go back. You gotta run faster.
Stay open, Luca. Do not float. Stay open, Luca. Get open, Luca. There it is. Come on, Alex.
Oh! Again, don't stop. Don't stop, man. Go. Keep the pressure, Alex. Keep the pressure, man. Go. Keep the pressure.
Gotta be a little quicker, Christian. A little quicker. Please, Luca. Spread it out. Find the space.
Hit the wall. Good job. Go, Alex. Don't stop, Alex. That's you, Aiden.
Good. Keep the pressure on. Good.
Stay there.
Check out, Aiden. Check out. Over there. Good. Come on, have it.
Again. Hit the wall. You can send it to Luke.
Appreciate it. Luca, come out. Inside the line, sir, right? Sir, inside the line.
Go.
Nice.
Keep the pressure.
There we go. Good. Keep the pressure on.
Look at Parker, man. Come on. Send it to Luke. Oh, do that one. Wait for it to come. Hit the wall again.
Alex, sit top, Alex. Don't move.
Look. Again. You get it?
He's fine.
Send it to Luke. Listen, head now. Okay, go for the rebound.
There, Mark. Take that one, take that one.
Come on, Parker, get ready. Get ready, Parker, too.
Nice, Alex.
Come on,
No,
Christian.
no. Keep the pressure. There you go. That's great. Keep head the wall.
Center it, buddy.
He's fine. He's still learning.
Put that ball in the middle, Parker. Don't worry about it. Let's go. Hustle. Go.
Nobody knows what's going to happen.
Pass.
Parker, be aggressive.
Again, send it. Keep going, grab. Thank you.
Hey,
Bravo,
top, Parker.
bravo, صاحبي. Again.
Have it, Christian.
Oh!
Parker.
Great effort.
Come on, Parker.
Hey.
Christian.
Parker did really well. He did really well, man. I mean, he's learning the game pretty fast. Because it's hard to remember play all the time.
Right. Dribble, sir.
Go, Luca, keep the pressure. Luca. Come on, Aiden.
You can send it to Luke.
Go. Go. Parker. We're almost gonna score, right? Just kidding, man. I know. Yeah, they were over a minute.
Hard on me, hard on three. 1, 2, 3, hard. Appreciate it, Lucas.
We're going. Ready?
wall again. Excellent, Parker. Kaiten, send it back. Zane. Go, 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 go.
Support, support. Stay there, Alex. On the window, Alex. Center! Come on, Parker. Get in the middle. Don't dive, please. Everyone back. Get back, Parker. One.
Aiden. Are you okay?
Hold it. Make sure you're fine. Hold it.
Yeah, that board is hard.
I hit my head on it.
Yeah, that.
It looks like it's just like surface, not like
I hope so. Yeah, but
like this, but not like that.
yeah. That's a good one. I forgot about that. Hit the wall, Z.
Good communication, Grant. Out,
Nice pass. Hit the wall. Hit the wall. So you can go to the other ones. Oh! Oh, yes!
That's on his shoulder, right? It's a totally different. It's somewhat different than regular soccer. It has similarities like the soccer.
Pressure, Alex.
Oh, yeah. Hit the wall. Again. It's easy to spawn rebounds. Good ground. Send it, Luke.
Touch. Dribble it in. There you go.
There we go.
Stretch.
You can go back. You can just go forward. Send it. Go, Alex! Oh my God, I took a seat.
The ball, Parker. I love you, Parker. Remember? Parker.
There you go. Again! Hit again. Ooh.
Still in.
Again! Okay, kid, don't stop! Why do you stop? Again, now! Get ready, Luke. That's not a good one.
Drive!
Go! Hit the wall, hit the wall. Bless you.
Thank you.
Keep going. You got it. I think it's their balls in.
Right there.
Play.
There you go. Zane, you can sit over now. Chest,
Send
Mike,
it.
Chest. Good time, turn.
Good time, good time. Good. Zane. Run, Alex, run! Again, Alex, now! Go, 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 go. Graham, Luke, come in.
Zane, Zane.
Run, 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 run. Let's go.
Hey, man, what are you doing, buddy?
Keep going. Send it. There you go. Again! 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 Don't stop! Don't stop! Again! Don't stop! Aiden! Aiden! Again! Take the ball!
There you go. Hey, come down with Christian, go center mid. Christian, center mid.
Run! Hit the wall again. Give it. Keep going. Keep going.
Hey, Luca, remember, I want you driving. Let's go, I want you carrying. Don't go behind the fence. Stop,
Luke.
Stretch, Alex. Stretch, Alex. Give it to Alex. Shield. Quick. Send it, Alex. Send it, Alex. Christian, you get up. What? Christian, you're center mid, bro. Support him.
Look at that. Come on! Oh, shoot it! Yes! Good job, guys!
Take it. Come get one.
Parker! Stay aggressive.
Christian.
Huh?
Stay middle, Luca. Stay up top. There it is.
Come up! Again! Go for it. Look at that. Go, don't stop. That's why you constantly need to stand. Hustle.
Good, Alex. Drive it.
Look at that, Alex. There you go.
You got to take it, take it, take it. Stay back, David, stay back.
Send it.
Go! Forget it!
That one would be Aiden, Chicago, or Toluca. It's a straight ball. Oh.
Luca! That's you, bud. Luca, that's you.
Yeah. He'll get there within like maybe game 3 or 4. Because now what you see when they hit that line, they think the ball is out of hand. Like they have to goal kick or you do it up the nose. Don't let him shoot. Don't let him shoot. Don't let him hit the wall. There you go.
Good job.
Go. There you go. Hey. Use the wall, Aiden. Sometimes they forget that they can use the wall. Again! Good block from the goalie though. Again! Don't stop. What am I doing? If only there was good. If only.
Get back, everyone down.
Hey! Oh my God. That's what Aiden has been looking for all morning. 304, huh? You know what that 304? Sulaminian, huh? The Barcelona player. He's from that neighborhood. It's like South Central. So he always like says it's good. The old like yeah. So like I still remember where I came from. Whenever oh god. Because he doesn't live there anymore. He's a millionaire. But he's always, you know, like it's 3 or 4. Again, keep the pressure. Good. Use the wall, or send it out. There we go. That was a good one too. Oh, Aiden is all pumped, man. Yeah, he's got into his mojo now. Go, Christian, send it. Oh, look at that, man. Make the move, Keaton. Oh.
That's a good ball.
Pay attention, Luke. One side is a wide open.
It's on your left. Go for it.
There you go. Run, Luca. Keep the pressure. Don't stop us.
Good.
Great, Luca. That was great.
Tell him, Parker. Open your voice. Parker, you gotta scream, bud. Parker, call for
Send it.
Let's hear it. Come on.
Scream like you're screaming at Remy.
Yeah. Go for it.
You did a lot of running, man. Go get the ball. Go, 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 1v1, go, go, go. Keep going. Now hit the wall. Hit the wall again. That's yours. Oh, come on, Pasahbi.
Good job, guys. Aiden, come down with Christian, go center mid.
Run, 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 there we go. Keep the pressure, don't let him go around you. There we go, 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 go. Send it. Again. Get up, get up, get up. You go, go, go. Hit the wall, Parker. You hit the wall. Come on.
That's it. We're good.
Again. Again. This goes in the way. There you go. Oh. Zane. Send it to Luke.
Play it back if you need to. Good, Christian. That was great, Christian. Down and help, Luca.
They
Christian,
don't know
good
they can
call.
do. They can send it to Luke. They just need to let Luke know. Yeah. And go slowly. Zane's whole team, look at the player. We tell him to send it back. You know what he does? He shoots at Zane. Go after it. Hit the wall. Still you, Krishna. Kick it. Woo! Great. Okay, go, Graham. Go. Hit the wall again, but go after it though.
Parker, pressure.
Nathan, don't let him go. Go, Christian. Go, Aiden. Send it. Hit the wall. Pasahbi, hit the wall.
Be open here. Just don't run just to run. You gotta be open.
Yes, wait. Down.
What's a foul, bro? Just get up. If you don't hit the whistle.
Parker, you're
Go! Go!
Go.
Keep the pressure.
Let's go, Zane.
He just needs to interview.
Got time. Get out of the way, Zane.
That was it.
Come on, final minute. Come on, hard.
Look at that. Hit the wall. Hit the wall.